I just want to talk a little bit about YouTube videos. For several years, I heard you could make money making YouTube videos. That's why I got started making them. Now, you also have to realize there's, my last understanding was 9 billion people on the planet. Just with a little bit of a fudge factor, I'm saying there's 1 billion people who have cameras, computers, smartphones, and that sort of thing. So if you were to make a YouTube video, I'm just assuming you would get about 100 hits a day based on how many people have smartphones. And I think of myself, I get online and I start watching YouTube videos. I might be watching something about baking bread. Next thing you know, I'm watching a rocket take off. I could sit in front of my computer for hours and watch different YouTube videos, DIYs, hobby videos, all that sort of thing. So I decided I'll make some YouTube videos, and I thought I would get probably 100 hits a day. But as it turns out, I have YouTube videos that are 6 months old that they haven't even broke 100 hits. So I decided, well, I'm not going to make any money on a YouTube video because everything I do is too boring. And I can prove that to you. All you have to do is on the lower left corner of your screen, there's a little blue dot with an M on it. And you can watch some of my videos and find out how boring they are. And I decided right then and there that I'm not going to make any money on YouTube videos. But what will happen is, let's say 200 years from now, there's some family member decides to look up a family tree, and there's 1 in a million shot that they might find my YouTube videos and have a better understanding of what their ancestors were doing and all that sort of thing, rather than just hearing their name and seeing their placement on the family tree. So what I decided to do was I thought I'd make this video and basically show the house I live in, the neighborhood animals that are around, showing where I'm selling mason bees. There's a little piece of 2x4 with mason bees in them, and I put those on what's called Craigslist for sale. I belong to a scooter club, so I have some information on that. On my house, it shows me building a new front porch. I have car stuff, tractor stuff, things I enjoy doing like skiing, machinery installs, and I used to build rocket motors and go to the rocket festival. All that'll be in this video. So anyway, happy watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. I'm not going to make any money on it. But anyway, a little something for my ancestors to view. Thank you.
fell off?
That was a bird.
Oh,
Yeah.
I've lost it.
It's right up there by the sun.
Huh. Well, that was pretty cool.